Welcome to HardReset.Info channel dear viewers. In front of me OnePlus Pad, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean USB charging port using household items on this device. So firstly, remember one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your USB charging port. I suggest you use an old toothbrush, which I no longer use. So firstly, you need to take the cover off if you have. I have no, as you can see. And now just insert the one part of the brush into the connector and just pry the dirt out. It's very easy to do because toothbrush is really great tool to clean your connector, to clean any connector, USB Type-C or micro USB. So toothbrush is the best tool. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.